In Buddhism, the emphasis is on cultivating mental strength, mindfulness, and wisdom. Certain habits are considered detrimental to mental well-being in the context of Buddhist teachings. Here are 5 habits that can be seen as making one mentally weak in a Buddhist perspective. 1. Attachment. Buddhism teaches that attachment to worldly possessions, relationships, and desires leads to suffering. Being overly attached can make you mentally weak because your well-being becomes dependent on external factors. Practicing non-attachment, detachment, is encouraged to achieve a more stable and peaceful state of mind. 2. Grasping onto the self, ego. Buddhism emphasizes the concept of anatta, or non-self, suggesting that clinging to a fixed and unchanging sense of self leads to suffering. Identifying too strongly with the ego can make you mentally weak, as it creates a false sense of separateness and can lead to various forms of craving, aversion, and ignorance. 3. Ignorance and delusion. Ignorance of the true nature of reality and delusion about the impermanence of life can contribute to mental weakness. In Buddhism, understanding the nature of suffering, dukkha, the impermanence of all things, anicca, and the concept of non-self, anatta, is crucial for cultivating mental strength and wisdom. 4. Harmful speech and actions. Engaging in harmful speech, actions, or behaviors that cause harm to oneself or others weakens the mind. The Buddhist ethical principles, such as the 5 precepts, encourage refraining from actions that cause harm, as they can lead to guilt, remorse, and a disturbed state of mind. 5. Mindless consumption. Buddhism teaches mindfulness in all aspects of life, including consumption. Mindless consumption of food, media, or any other stimuli can contribute to a scattered and restless mind. Developing mindfulness in what you consume and practicing moderation and contentment is considered essential for mental well-being. In Buddhism, the Eightfold Path provides a framework for cultivating mental strength, including right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By aligning one's life with these principles, a practitioner aims to develop mental strength and cultivate a sense of inner peace.